how many companies did I attend at Grasshopper conference? I think literally all of them, because for 3 days I did not listen to a single talk. I was just at career fair from morning 7 to late evening. So I think I must have interacted with everyone. How did you modify your intro? It's not about modifying your speech. So what I did was that I had the list of 5 projects that I want to highlight. That's it. That was all that I did, that I had done during my masters, and I had prior work experience. So what I would do was that if I go to, say, a e-commerce company, so I'll highlight my Expedia work experience. But if, say, I'm going to a finance based company, then I would highlight my BlackRock experience. If I would be going to some kind of a FANG for a full-time job, then I would highlight my Facebook internship. So it's more about just rearranging your speeches, your um, uh, uh, rearranging the projects, rearranging your experience. It's not really about modifying the whole script or whatever. And trust me, you do it for 5-6 companies, you will just get a hang of it. How did you, according to each company? Okay. Any pointers on how to prepare elevator pitch? Again, try to align with what they are looking for. Don't say whatever like, it shouldn't be like you have prepared one elevator speech and just you start talking through it. It's not going to do you any good. And what another advice I have for you is that if you plan to, say, meet Adobe during Grasshopper conference, then go through their website, see what kind of job description have they mentioned. Have they mentioned a very specific skill which is not that easily found? For example, could be Hadoop, could be Apache Druid, could be anything. So if you catch those keywords, and if you go to the recruiter and like after basic hi hello, you start with those skill set that they are actually looking for, I think that will be very helpful. How long the elevator pitch ideally be in your experience? I think it depends how much do you align with that company. So for example, if you are going to Bloomberg and you have financial work experience, or projects which were based on finance, I think they might want to talk to you further. And I think the main interest peaks in like first 30 seconds. You will be able to figure out from the recruiter's face itself that whether it's worth spending time in the line or not. And I would say that before standing in line, just ask people around that, are they even taking the resumes, or are they just saying that apply online? If they are saying apply online, it doesn't make any difference. And also at Grasshopper conference, some companies have their own specific small events. I think those are very good because the audience is comparatively less and you get the opportunity to interact with them one on one. So yeah, that is something that you can do. um, cool. I think we have just like 3-4 more minutes to go. um, Cool. Looks like you guys don't have any other questions, so I'm just gonna end the call. I will share the video and the presentation later on Facebook group. So yeah, if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Low level design, as in Kartika. Low level. Do you mean system design or do you mean CPU level design? Yes, system design. You can speak up. That's fine. Oh, okay. Object oriented. How to prepare for? So there are certain articles on Medium.com which are very good for object oriented questions. So there are just two famous questions for object oriented. One is design a chess. This you will find the answer on Geeks for Geeks for that. Another one is that elevator thing, design an elevator. So I think the design an elevator using object oriented programming is also something that you can find online. And I would say that to really design the object, to do the object orientation, first idea is to understand what objects are. Like a lot of people don't understand the difference between overriding and overloading. You should know the basic stuff. You should know encapsulation. You should know how to visualize objects, entities separately. So what really helps me is to define the ER diagram first, and then I go towards object oriented programming. That helps me. Do men also attend, get any benefits from asking for a friend? I have no idea. Recently, I have seen more population, like more men also attending the Grace Hopper conference, but I don't know how their experience is. Cool. Thank you so much. Yeah, for object-oriented designing, once again, first of all, do the questions that have the answers available online, and then you try to design your own thing. So yeah, that's what I have to say. I think we just have 2 more minutes. If you guys have any question. Um, Thank you so much. I think I really appreciate that you guys took the time and saw this and saw this. Thank you so much. Um, cool. I'll just end the call now. Thank you so much. You guys have been a wonderful audience. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.